from the beautiful Split, guys. We have just made a booking to go to the beautiful Blue Lagoon and also check out a local town nearby. Very excited, and hopefully I want to tick off my bucket list where I jump off the boat. I'm not a very good swimmer, so I might have a life jacket on. What do you think, baby? You want to jump off the boat as well?
Yeah, maybe I'll give it a go as well. But first, I think I want to find some lunch. I am starving.
Yep, we'll just take you guys for a walk, show you the old town. I want to really get some fresh juice, get some nice seafood lunch, and just show you guys around. Just getting some juice. It's quite hot.
They actually make it fresh for you, and it comes out in your little cup on the other end. That is awesome. Look at that pink goodness.
And ladies and gentlemen, that's fresh juice right there for you.
Welcome back, guys. We've just sat down by the promenade to enjoy some lunch. I actually decided to get the bruschetta. It looks absolutely beautiful because who can resist pesto and bread? Gary's here trying the local Dalmatian pasta, which is pasta with some black truffle and pancetta crumbs, it looks like. Gary, would you like to try some now?
Yeah, I love truffle, so I can't wait. It does look delicious. I'll grab some of these cheesy bits.
How is it, babe?
It's beautiful. It's actually quite simple, yet the truffle taste kicks in. It's really beautiful. So we have arrived at the beautiful Blue Lagoon. It was about a 1 hour boat ride on a speedboat from Split. The ride was sensational. The water doesn't look as blue right now because of those massive clouds, and it's a bit chilly at the moment as well, so I don't think I'll be jumping into the water. It's still nice to come down here though, and after spending about an hour we'll be heading out to another town. I can't remember the name, so I'll put that in the description below, but yeah, looking forward to checking out the town. It's apparently quite charming, old type of town. Ciao. Hi guys, we are in beautiful Trogir for the final leg of our trip today. We did half-day tour and we went to the Blue Lagoon, and now we're at this beautiful town. I flew my drone here as well and captured some really good footage for you, and I'll show you guys around. It's got mixture of new and old, but I suppose it's worth coming down here just for like a couple of hours if your tour allows that. We only had two things to do part of our tour, Blue Lagoon and visit to this town, which we're happy about. There's certain tours that you can do like 5 different islands. I think that's a bit too much for us. We like to take it easy. First half of the day we sort of walked around the city, explored the old town,
Did some shopping.
in Split, did some shopping. So we were able to have a really good day.